Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Very good afternoon. Whatever you all, I hope you are fine and fit. I also find the request of Almighty Allah. Welcome to my 1 minute English speaking channels. It's me, I'm Jonathan Joy, our member of English Action from the 44th page, and my register number is Johnson 0. Today I am fond of you about another presentation. This is my 69th presentation. Today I will describe you about cooking. Actually, I am keen on cooking. It's helped me relax. I watch some YouTube channels video about cooking. It's so interesting. It's a new format of getting knowledge. I have to cook from time to time. I can cook mutton. I can cook biryani. I can cook beef, and I can cook masmood. Thank you so much for your attention. See you later, my next presentation.